This is an introduction to the Outfitter XXL Quick Tent. Don't blink, you may just miss it. The Outfitter XXL Quick Tent is just that quick. When you're sleeping on your own, making ready for a day of hunting or camping, every moment counts. The Outfitter XXL Quick Tent won't waste your time. It's a sturdy one-person tent with a simple setup that takes a minute or less. This freestanding tent was made to fit perfectly on top of a TETON Sports Outfitter XXL cot, but will fit most oversized cots with side rails. The tent and its rainfly are made from a treated taffeta with 2000mm water repellency. The mesh windows and door keep the bugs at bay, and the floor is rugged enough to stand alone. It's made from the same sturdy taffeta as the rest of the tent. Let me show you how easy this tent is to set up. Roll out the tent. Lock the 2 points on the long legs. Pull the drawstring at the top of the tent. Takedown is just as easy. Just apply pressure to the 2 orange tabs at the top of the tent. Here's a look at the full system together. Outfitter XXL cot, camp pad, and quick tent. TETON Sports also offers an elite rainfly through our customer service department for covering the whole system. The Outfitter XXL Quick Tent, like all TETON Sports products, comes with our limited lifetime warranty, which is our promise that you can count on us. If you ever have any issues, please reach out to our awesome customer service team, and we'll get you back outdoors and on the trail. And that's an introduction to TETON Sports Outfitter XXL Quick Tent. Get outdoors and enjoy life.
The Coleman Galliano is the perfect partner for festivals, multi-stop holidays and weekend trips, offering instant comfort and convenience on the campsite thanks to the fast pitch pop-up structure. Pitched in less than 1 minute, the Galliano's fiberglass poles pop into shape once removed from its carry bag and elastic strap. To set up, take the tent out of the bag and remove the elastic strap. Open up and the tent will pop up into the correct structure. Peg down the tent using the webbing loops and then peg the adjustable guy ropes, pegging at 45 degrees for stability. Once pitched, the Galliano offers comfortable outdoor accommodation. Sturdy fiberglass poles combined with a stable tunnel construction ensure the tent stands strong in all weathers. Heavy rain is no match for the polyester flysheet, which boasts a hydrostatic head of 2000mm as well as tape seams to keep you dry. The tent's fabrics are also fire retardant for greater peace of mind. For maximum airflow inside the tent, the Galliano features a removable roof panel, providing multiple ventilation options, from open sides to a fully open roof, which is also perfect for stargazing on warmer nights. The tent's double-layer door also aids ventilation when required, while the mesh ensures that bugs are kept outside. Valuables and small items can be placed in the interior pockets. Setting down the tent is equally easy. Remove the pegs. Gather the tent poles at the top. Lift on its end, then push down and tuck in the sides. Pull over the elastic strap and you're ready to put it back in the bag. The Coleman Galliano for instant, comfortable accommodation. Available in 2- and 4-person models. The Coleman Fast Pitch Instant Cabin is a versatile tent that features the ingenious fast pitch technology for effortless and instant setup. Ideal for weekend adventures and touring camping, the Fast Pitch Instant Cabin includes carefully considered features for comfortable accommodation on the campsite. Simple to pitch in just 3 minutes, the tent's sturdy steel poles are pre-attached to a central summit hub. This unique spider-like frame means the poles can be easily clicked into place and your home from home is ready in an instant. Remove the tent from the back. The tent fabric will be pre-attached to the poles. Drop the leg poles down and hold up the central hub, then fold the legs over. Extend the legs until you hear a click. Check that the silver pin is located in the hole on the pole. Repeat this for all 4 legs. Close the door if it's open, then peg out the 4 corners of the tent at a 45-degree angle, tensioning as you go. Take the fly sheet and line it up with the frame. The back is labelled back. Attach using the Velcro tabs. Secure them below the pole knuckle and then clip the fly sheet to the poles. Peg any other pegging points, then secure the remaining guy lines, working from back to front, following the lines of the poles for correct positioning and pegging at 45 degrees for extra wind resistance. Once pitched, the fast-pitch instant cabin offers a spacious interior with full head height throughout for increased comfort. 4 large mesh windows with covers offer the ultimate balance of light and privacy, and when open, provide a panoramic view of your surroundings. Entering and exiting the tent is easy thanks to its large front door. The tent's robust steel and fiberglass poles will stand strong in high winds, and adjustable guy lines ensure that the fast-pitched instant cabin will remain secure in blustery conditions. The tent is constructed from durable taffeta and polyester mesh fabrics that easily stand up to the exertions of life outdoors, while the Rainfly has a hydrostatic head of 600 millimeters. The tough and durable integrated polyethylene ground sheet has welded seams to ensure a dry and bug-free interior. All tent fabrics are fire retardant for greater peace of mind. Adjustable ventilation panels with internal zips for easy access, combined with the double-layer mesh windows and door, allow you to manage the level of airflow through the tent, reducing the risk of condensation and maintaining a comfortable interior temperature while keeping the bugs outside. Multiple storage pockets make it easy to keep the tent tidy and organized, while the handy Summit Loop allows you to hang lighting. In dry climates, the fast-pitch instant cabin can be used without the Rainfly, providing a convenient shelter and protection from biting insects. Just use the additional guy lines on the poles to secure. When your holiday is over, setting down the fast-pitch instant cabin is just as quick and simple. Unpeg the guy lines and main structure. Retract the leg poles by depressing the silver button, and at the knuckle, fold them over and in. Pull up and gather the tent together, then place in its carry bag. The Coleman Fast Pitch Instant Cabin. Start your adventure in minutes. Available in 4- and 6-person models, with and without the fly sheet included.
At Core, we strive to make camping more comfortable and less complicated. With its simple, time-saving setup, our 6-person instant cabin is no exception. To set up camp, remove the contents from the carry bag and lay the tent flat on the ground. You'll notice that all of the poles you need are already attached to the tent and connected by a hub on the ceiling. Starting on one side, pull each leg pole upwards and extend the telescoping poles until the locking buttons engage. Repeat this step for the opposite side. Setup's complete. Stabilize your tent by pushing the stakes through the ground loops at a 45-degree angle. For rain protection, drape the water-resistant Rainfly over your tent and clip to the leg poles between the locking button and the pole connector. Guy out the tent and tighten the slack adjuster. Next, install the overhead gear loft and the large wall organizer and unpack your bags. Core Instant Tents give you enough time to sit back, relax, and outdoor more.
Here's a quick guide on how to set up your Coleman Signature 6-person instant cabin. First, select a flat campsite with no rocks or branches. Don't place your tent under a tree. Lay your tent out flat and locate the door. Now position the tent so that the door is where you want it. Extend the tent frame. Unfold the arms of the tent downward until they lay flat on the ground. Then raise the tent. Unfold the arm joints located at each of the tent corners and extend the adjustable leg poles until they snap into place. Verify the clips along the edges of the tent are properly attached to the leg poles. Pull the tent corners to ensure that the tent floor is tight. Then secure the tent by driving stakes through the webbing loops sewn to the tent base. To attach the rainfly, drape it over the tent with the front side label over the door. Attach the plastic fasteners to the leg poles below the push button. Pull the strap to adjust the firmness of the rainfly on the tent. Attach and stake out the Illumaline reflective guy lines, which are the ropes attached to the outside of the rainfly. Adjust the sliders to make sure the guy lines are tight. To take down the tent, follow the previous steps in the reverse order. For more information, visit Coleman.com or download the Coleman app.